Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another mobile app tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to use the new layout tool in Instagram stories. Okay, so here we are in the Instagram app, and what we want to do is use a new stories feature. So we want to swipe left, and then we're going to be on the stories screen. So I currently have the selfie facing camera. You can double tap, of course, if you want to switch that. We'll stay on this one for now. And down here on the bottom, we want to go to layout. So we can just swipe across until we're on layout. And you can now see that there are 4 sections here. And I don't know if you can see this or not, but right there, we can swipe and get different layouts. So we can get like 3, 2 side by side, 6, or 1 on the top, 2 on the bottom. We're just gonna go to the 4 because that's a pretty simple one to do. So this is cool. You can add 4 different sections to your Instagram story. Right now you can only use photos. You can't use a video. Like I'm holding down my finger on the button right now. It's not recording. I have to do a tap. So let's go ahead and tap this first one. So there's the first one on the left there. You can see that the circle right here is 1/4 of the way complete. So that's a pretty cool feature as well. We can also tap this if we want to go back. We'll tap on that. So the first one has been deleted. Let's redo the first one. So now we're on the second one. Let's go ahead and do something new for the second one. We can swipe up from the bottom, or we can tap this thing down here in the bottom left corner. And that's going to bring us to the photo selection screen. So we can select a photo if we want to do that. Then you can kind of move this around if you want, make it bigger. So we'll keep that for the second grid. Now we're on the third one here. Remember, we can flip the camera as well. So let's go ahead and flip that. We're gonna go through like all the little different effects that we can do. We'll just take a picture of this. So we've got the third one done. Now we can do the fourth one. And we'll just take another selfie for this one. And this one seems to have glitched, but we'll take the fourth one and see what happens. And then all you need to do is hit the check mark. So that's unfortunate that the top right one glitched. Let's go ahead and redo this real quick. So there we go. I think it was because I was playing around with that top right grid too much. I was trying to spin it and a bunch of stuff, and I noticed that it messed up during that. But it should work smooth like this. So there's an example of how you would use layout within Instagram stories. Remember, if you want to go back, you can tap the back button. We can tap back, redo the 4. And then tap the check when you're done. So now you have this, you're good to go. So up here on the top of the screen, we're gonna have more options. You can save this if you want. You can add some effects if you want. You can add some stuff on top of this if you want. You can add some stickers, TGIF. You can of course draw on this. You can add more text. And there you have it. All the normal stuff you can do, but within the new layout tool on Instagram. I think it's pretty cool, pretty useful feature. Not many people are using it yet, so it'll be interesting to see if people start to use this and to see what they do with it. I'm gonna go ahead and discard this. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials like this one. Also check out the Instagram playlist. There's hundreds of tutorials in there for you to check out, learn how to use Instagram and Instagram stories. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.